The 2023 M2 is powered by the BMW S58 twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six, which produces 453 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. It's the same engine that's standard in the M3 and M4, though here it makes 20 horsepower less. The torque output is identical. All M2s are rear-wheel drive. BMW claims that this powertrain is capable of launching the M2 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds when equipped with the optional 8-speed automatic. This estimate is likely conservative as the previous generation M2 competition, which produced just 405 horsepower, managed a 60 miles per hour 3.9 second time on our test track. Of course, it wouldn't be an M car without a specially tuned suspension and various other chassis upgrades that helped it become the fastest version of the 2 Series to get around the racetrack. Inside, the M2 features the same layout as the regular 2 Series coupe. Passenger space is plentiful for front seat riders, but those relegated to the rear may be wishing you had sprung for a 3 Series sedan. The design is racy and the front seats feature dramatic bolstering and light-up M logos. Opt for the carbon fiber package and a layer of the stuff is draped on multiple surfaces of the M2's cabin, and those sport seats are swapped out for even more aggressive ones that are said to save 24 pounds of weight. An on-screen digital monolith informs the driver of every bit of data they might need. The 12.3-inch display behind the wheel serves as a reconfigurable gauge display and seamlessly transitions to the larger 14.9-inch touchscreen that provides access to the M2's iDrive 8 infotainment system. Navigation is standard and a head-up display and 5G connectivity are both optional.